Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is session number 7, part 2. In this session, we'll study how to pronounce all these words. So, the first word, which has 4 alphabets in it: Waw, Alif, Jim, and Be. Waw has a diacritical mark over it, Jim has a diacritical mark under it. So, the word would be like wajib, 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 wajib. Okay, and the next word has 3 alphabets: kaf, choti ye, and alif. In parentheses you can see their connected form, so it would be pronounced like kya, kya, kya. And in some context, this same kaf, choti ye, alif is pronounced as kia, kia. So we'll study this later on in greater details. Till now you need to pronounce it as kya, kya. Okay, and then the next word has 2 alphabets: be and waw. Be has a diacritical mark over it, which gives us oo sound, and waw don't have anything over under it. And in parentheses you can see their connected form. So the pronunciation would be boo, boo, boo. Okay, and then the next word has 2 alphabets: jim and choti ye. Jim has a diacritical mark under it, so the word pronunciation would be like G, G, G. Then the next word has 4 alphabets in it: alif with diacritical mark over it, then it's ye, which is badi ye, then seen has a diacritical mark over it, and then alif. So this whole word would be pronounced like aisa, aisa, aisa. Okay, then the next word has 3 alphabets: alif, waw, and re. Alif has a diacritical mark over it, and it would be pronounced like or, or. Then the next word has 2 alphabets, which are te and waw. Their connected form is in parentheses, so this is pronounced as to, to, to. If it has a diacritical mark like this one, then it would be pronounced like tu, tu. I write the 2 formations here in front of you, like okay, so the first one is to, which is very easy, and if there is a diacritical mark over te like this one, so it would be pronounced like tu, tu. Okay, then the next word has 4 alphabets in it, 4 alphabets. These 2 are in connected formats. The first 2 are in connected form, you can see here, and the other ones are separated in parentheses. You can see their genuine connected form. So in separated form it would be like this one, but in connected form it would be like this one. Okay, so the word would be pronounced like jane, jane. This one would be pronounced like jane, jane. Then the next word has 4 alphabets: pe with a diacritical mark under it, choti ye, te, and badi ye. In parentheses you can see their connected form, and this would be pronounced like pite, pite. This would be pronounced like pite, pite, pite. Okay, next one. This word has 4 alphabets: Be, Alif, Re and Choti A. B has a diacritical mark over it, then Re has a diacritical mark under it. And the word is pronounced as Bari, Bari, Bari. Then it's another word which has 2 alphabets, Dal and Vav, which is pronounced as Do, Do. This one is pronounced as Do. Then the last one has 4 alphabets in it. The first 2 are separated and the other 2 are in connected form. These alphabets you can see in parentheses in connected form, and these are pronounced, these alphabets in this form are pronounced as Vaisa, 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 Vaisa. Okay, so that's it for this part. Try to compare your pronunciations with my pronunciations, and at the end I pronounced all these for you again one by one, so it would be more easy for you to understand. So first one is wajib, wajib. Then kya, kya. In some context it is pronounced as kia, but mostly it is kya. Then bu, bu. Then it's ji, ji. Then it's aisa, aisa. Then it's or. Then it's tu or to. There are 2 pronunciations for this word, to or tu. If you see this sign or this diacritical mark over te alphabet, then it would be tu, tu. Okay, next word is jane, jane. Then it's pite, pite. Then bari, bari. Do, do. Then it's vaisa, vaisa. So that's it for today's session. Hope you enjoyed this. Try pronouncing all these and try to compare all these with your pronunciation. So all the best and Allah Hafiz till the next session. Thank you.